This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Deanna Davis. Luxurious custom-built pool home in highly desirable gated community of Tralee Bay Shores. Amazing open floor plan with attention to detail, craftsmanship and exceptional upgrades throughout. This exquisite home features a chef-designed gourmet kitchen with designer cabinets, sprawling center island, breakfast bar, extended kitchen nook, newer appliances and a butler's pantry. Opening to the spacious great room overlooking the private pool and lake. Retreat to the lavish master suite on the first floor with his and hers walk-in California closets and a spa-like ensuite boasting freestanding soaking tub, stunning walk-in shower and Cambria Quartz countertop with double sinks. Upstairs features impact glass, a large loft with French doors to private balcony, 2 bedrooms and bath. Barrel tile roof, Paver driveway, 3-car garage, no carpet, all bathroom countertops are Cambria Quartz, pool resurfaced in 2022, deck repainted, portable Generac generator west/house hookup panel 2021. For more information, review the details below.